Hi, I'm Richard Aselta, and I'm a defense attorney for students. I want to discuss in this video categories of appeals, specifically appeals if you're found responsible for an academic integrity violation. Now, in some of my other videos, I've discussed some of these criteria. And what I mean by that is most of the time schools will set forth in their policies, if you're found responsible, you can argue on appeal certain categories that you may fit into. And I've talked about this. Most of the time, you can argue procedural violations in the process. You can argue new evidence. And sometimes some schools, not all, but some schools, allow you to argue that the evidence presented was not substantial or did not rise to the level of an academic integrity violation. This is probably one of the most challenging arguments that you can make. And the reason is because it's not enough to simply say, I don't agree with the decision, or, the panel should have believed me over this other witness. Now, you have to go beyond that. You have to try to identify in the record where certain statements support your position or do not support the university's position. A big part of that is if your school allows it to have access to the record of the hearing. Many times these hearings are recorded, and most schools, especially public universities, will allow you access to listen to that. Because these arguments, again, are very, very fact specific. You have to show a reviewing party that the information that was presented either didn't substantiate the charge, or that information that you brought out, either through your own evidence or through what you may have questioned the university witnesses, again, gave doubt or disproved what the university was saying. Now, again, these are very tricky arguments. I do recommend that you may want to at least consult with somebody like myself before making those arguments. So if you find yourself in this position, please give me a call, send me an email. I'm happy to discuss it with you. Thank you very much.